Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to add phone device in Google account. First of all, you can open the Google application. I can already open the Google. After opening the Google, you can just simply tap on the profile picture at the top right corner of the screen. And here you can now tap on the arrow icon, and now you can see the option add another account. Tap on it and you can just simply now tap on continue, and after a few seconds of loading you can see this type of interface. You can enter the phone device email or enter a password, or you can now tap on next, and this is the way you can add new phone device in Google account. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, try using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.